Alright, so lost dogs the way. So this is the another promising airdrop into the Telegram ecosystem. And this airdrop actually I started today only. And the concept of this airdrop is very simple. So I will be explaining the actual concept and why this airdrop is looking very good, that this can give you a very good reward into the airdrop. So if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, just hit on the subscribe button because you will get quality information related to crypto to your YouTube feed. So this lost dogs the way. So this is the another promising airdrop after the dogs and not. What you have to do in this airdrop is just click on the link which is given into the description box of this video, and once you click you will see this kind of interface to your Telegram application. What you have to do is, if you see to this, find an average card. So this is the essence of this application. What they are doing is they will show you 3 cards over this screen and you have to choose average card, not the card which is the selected by most of the people. So in 3 cards there will be rating. You will vote, you will select. So if your selection is in the middle, means not into the winner category, not into the winner category, not into the loser category. If it is in between, not first, not third, if it is second, then you will be declared as a winner. So let's see into the profile section. If you see my previous choices, on 29th of August, means today, I have selected a card for sudden attack and I was winner. Why? Because somebody voted 38.68% to sudden attacks and 39.88% people voted for the sabotage. And the third category which is PSI fleas. I don't know what is, but this is the third, which was having 21.43% of the votes. That was the third one. If you are in the middle, like I'm into the middle with the second highest votes, then I will be declared as a winner. So my choice and winner both are same, and then I will be getting the reward, the winner reward. So now I have chosen will dogs accept microchipping. So there were 3 cards here. 1, accept microchipping. 2nd, reject microchipping, and 3rd, fake microchip. So I have selected basically fake one because in my thought most of the people will be selecting accept microchip, and second number might be people will be selecting fake microchip. So I thought it would be my best choice to get the winner list. So this is the only game. You have to select card every 8 hours or 24 hours. Interesting thing here is, if you go to the profile, it is saying the game ends in 13 days. So basically this game will only run for more 2 weeks, and after that game will end. If you see the game rules, it's very clear. The game lasts for 6 weeks and is a social competition based on cooperation and strategy development to influence and predict the outcome of the day. The outcome of each round is entirely dependent on the choices of the players, excluded any element of chance. So what is the rule? Each round, players choose one of 3 cards. By choosing a card, players bet their bones points on it and increasing its popularity. So basically you have to choose the card and you have to bet your bones. Each round has a goal to determine the most popular, average, or unpopular card by the number of bones. If you currently identify the card that wins by the end of round, you will receive a bonus in NOT and WOOF token. By exchanging NOT for bones, you increase the amount of NOT you will receive if you win. So basically, if you are correct, then you will get WOOF token, you will get NOT token, and a lot of in this game. So this is a very simple game. You have to choose just one card, that is average card. And why this app looks promising to me is it is into the English and Russian language, And if you know Durev, which is the founder of Telegram, he has been completely related to Russia. We already know that. So I think this is the promising airdrop, and they are completely, and in every section they are mentioning Notcoin. So that is completely related to the Notcoin also. So I think this could be a very good airdrop. So what is inside it? You have to join any community. So like I have joined the community of Notcoin. You have to do some tasks to get more bones and more woof. And then this is the bone section. You can swap these bones for the knot. Swap for 400 knot. So you have to pay knot to get the bones. And then this is the league. So I'm into silver league with 582 bones. I won just one game, recent game. And then this is the friend section. You have to invite people. So right now I have 19 friends, and most of them from the community itself. And this is the profile. It's very simple. So just whenever you get time, just open this Lost Dog app and just select any card that you feel that this could be an average card, and you can get the woof. And once this game ends, we are hoping that we will be getting the airdrop from Lost Dogs. So that's all about the Lost Dogs app, and I hope this airdrop will be very rewarding for you. So just hit on this link that is given into the description box of this video to get the Lost Dogs and join in the community, and also subscribe this YouTube channel to get the quality information to your YouTube feed. That's all. See you into the next video. Thank you.